Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on SEI. In my earlier videos, I was showing you this breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And you can see that after the breakout, finally we have broken out this very long-term resistance zone as well. And by the way, this resistance zone start from 20 cents and goes to 22 cents. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been breaking a support down here, support down here, support down here. And after the breakdown for the past several days, you can see on this daily time frame chart, you can see that it was breaking at the resistance line, and now we have broken it out. And now again, it can act as a strong support for the price on SEI. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you another breakout that has happened here on the daily time frame chart from the previous falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for TUT, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 22nd of April 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that first the price line of TUT dropped down and the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very nice reverse and the price line rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SEI. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, since after 19th of November 2024, it was moving inside this wedge. We had a bounce here, a few rejections here, almost had another bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejections, bounce, rejection, bounce, and finally the price line has broken out the resistance. And after the breakout, the price line retested the previous resistance of the wedge as support and geared up. And now recently, we have broken out this very long-term resistance zone. That's out from 20 cents and goes to 22 cents. You can see that for the past few weeks, it was breaking as a resistance zone. Before that, it was breaking as support zone here and support zone here. And if we move more back, then here for a few days, it had been breaking as support zone. Therefore, now after this breakout, it can be flipped again into a strong support for the price line of SEI. However, there is a probability that after this breakout, the price line may retest its previous resistance as support and geared up. By the way, we have, you can see that already retested this resistance as support and geared up. Now the upcoming resistance is here at 32 cents. That had been previously working as a support here, and resistance here and support here. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of SEI. And there is another very long-term downtrend and resistance that had been previously working here. It had been working as a resistance on 14th of March 2024. We got rejection here, a few more rejections here, and this time it can hit this downtrend and resistance somewhere here, approximately at 50 cents. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge at 70 cents. And over there, we have another very long-term resistance that was previously breaking as a resistance here recently. And before that, it was also breaking at a resistance here as well. And the technical target for the breakout from this previous wedge, you can see that previously we broke out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Then we had a nice pump, but the price line was rejected by this downtrend and resistance, and it was stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And the technical target for that wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $1 to $1.14. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've also shared the links to join me there in the video description. You can find. Take care. Goodbye.